In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Process.st for workflow documentation. If you're looking to streamline your team's processes, get consistent results, and boost productivity, you're in the right place. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to use this powerful tool to organize, document, and automate workflows effortlessly. First, let's talk about what Process.st actually does. It's a tool designed to help businesses create and manage workflows in a streamlined way. Whether it's for project management, onboarding, or any other process, Process.st lets you create simple, repeatable checklists. Think of it like a digital to-do list on steroids, but with the power to automate and track your team's work. The interface is super intuitive, which is perfect if you're new to workflow documentation. When you first log in, you'll see a dashboard where you can start creating your workflows. To create a new workflow, click on New Template, then you'll be taken to a simple editor where you can define your workflow steps. You can name your workflow, add tasks, and then break them down into smaller, manageable steps for your team to follow. What really sets Process.st apart is its ability to use conditional logic. You can set up workflows that adapt depending on the responses or actions taken earlier in the process. For example, if someone fills out a form with specific data, the software can show them different tasks based on their answers. This makes your workflow documentation far more dynamic and effective than a simple static list. Next, you can easily assign tasks to team members. You simply click on a task and assign it to someone. You can also set deadlines and track the progress of each step in the process. This makes it easy to see where things are, who's responsible for what, and ensures everyone stays on track. One of the most useful features is the ability to attach files, documents, and links to each task, making it easier for your team to access relevant materials directly within the workflow. You also have the ability to automate parts of your workflow. Using Process.st's automation feature, you can create triggers that initiate actions automatically, like sending an email when a task is completed or notifying a manager when a step is overdue. This saves a lot of time and reduces the risk of human error. Another great feature for workflow documentation is the audit trail. With Process.st, every time a task is completed or updated, it's logged. This gives you a complete history of what's happened in each workflow, making it easy to track progress and resolve any issues. Now, one thing you'll notice is that Process.st integrates with a lot of other software tools. Whether it's your CRM, project management software, or team communication platforms, Process.st can sync with them to make your workflows even more powerful. This integration lets you avoid having to switch between different apps constantly. But perhaps the best part is that you can try Process.st for free. And if you use the first link in the description below, you'll also get exclusive bonuses that'll make using this software even more effective for your workflow documentation needs. By the end of this video, you now have the basics of how to use Process.st for workflow documentation. With its powerful features like task automation, integration, and an easy-to-use interface, it's a fantastic tool to improve your team's productivity and consistency. And don't forget, by using the link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial. So if you're ready to start organizing your workflows and automating processes, check out Process.st today.